thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. You can go ahead and like and subscribe if you really like my vibe. Domiso sent me over one of their gorgeous units. Let's go ahead and get to a quick unboxing. This is a 10 by 7 Afro curly wig in 22 inches. You can see she is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, baby. You know I don't play. She comes with that secure glueless wig band along with a very secure wig comb. To adhere the wig to my head, I'm going in with the tried and true, some spritz and my edge comb. I'm just spraying the spritz on the lace, just making sure it just reaches that lace, and then I'm just gonna press that in. Take my edge comb, press it in, make sure I put all those hairs back so none of the hair is caught up in the lace. You don't want to do that because then it gets a little bit too messy, baby. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer. Just go ahead and just make sure that adhesive is dried down, and then I'm going to apply my wig band for 15 minutes, okay? This has got to be the most fullest, thickest human hair unit I've ever received, and I am living. But we have to at least like put the girl in layers. So here I am cutting the wig into some layers. I'm just cutting off those ends and just doing a couple face framing layers just so that she can look really good when I define the curls. Okay. With all the hair on this wig, I quickly realized that itty bitty tiny little water bottle was not gonna do it. I needed to put my head under the shower, okay? And really drench this hair to see its fullest potential. And oh my gosh, you're gonna see, this looks just like my hair. To define the curls, I'm going in with some mousse, some Lotta Body mousse, nothing too crazy. And I'm just gonna define a couple curls, do a couple ringlets, and voila, magic, baby. And this wig is so great because not only can you get a middle part, you can get a side part, you can part on the other side. It's literally parting max, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Overall, this unit was so easy to install, so easy to style. Like, you can see half the work is already done for you. I really enjoyed this unit. Shout out to Domiso. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to review this gorgeous unit, and I'm excited to continue to do a lot more texture styles on my channel because why not? It's the summertime. This is perfect for the summertime. I would say if you're gonna get her, maybe get her in a shorter length. You don't need 22 inches. I didn't need 22 inches, but I'm glad that I got it because now I can cut it up to be what I want. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. You can stay to the end and you'll see the final result. Mwah. Don't forget to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less. Love you guys. Bye. Oh shit. My fuse blew. It was too much at one time. The bathroom light is still on. That's very interesting. That was a little too crazy for me, baby.
No, you're right.
Wow, that looks like my fucking hair. Thank you. It really looks like my hair.
Baby, I know it's bad for me, and you know it tastes so sweet. Think I need your abuse, babe. Girl, you do damage to me. No, I love it. Yeah, I love you. Ain't nothing better for me now. Girl, you do damage to me. No, I love it. Yeah, I love you. Ain't nothing better for me now. Can you point it, babe? Play my role when I'm inside.